Okay, this is it.
This is cabin number 9704 on the Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas. This is an aft corner balcony at the back of the ship on the 9th floor. There's plenty of space, the bed, the couch, table, vanity, and most importantly, let's check out the balcony.
Awesome. Here's the view from Port Canaveral. This is a great view. So the corner balconies are a lot bigger than the regular balcony. We actually booked a regular balcony room, but we had done the guaranteed balcony room where they choose it for you. So about 2 weeks or so before the cruise, we found out that this was our room. So I'm actually really happy with this room. I think this is a really amazing sized balcony. I love it. And the 9th floor, so pretty high up and convenient to a lot of things. So the sit-in window is also really cool. And here's the bathroom. Really small as expected. And here's your shower. And this is the closet with the safe. Hanging space. There are a lot of drawers. And a fridge. It's more like a cooler. Your phone.
My favorite feature about the balcony was that it was big enough to fit the lay-down lounger. I spent a lot of time on the balcony just enjoying the views, listening to the ocean, and reading. I was even able to sit outside late at night and read because there was a light. And again, the view was incredible. You could really see far in so many directions, which was perfect for in port. And listen to this water. Overall, we really enjoyed the room. The only potential downfall that didn't really matter to us but might be an issue for you is that the room is all the way at the end of the hall, so it's not anywhere near the stairs or elevator. Definitely worth the walk in my opinion, but just something I thought I'd mention. I really hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful in some way. Thanks for watching!